Hi everyone, I'm Rosa Yang from Chatty Studio. 大家好，我是带你一起学汉语的杨老师。Welcome to our 汉语拼音 and Chinese typing class. In this class, we will learn Pinyin Input method, 拼音输入法。Before we learn this method, I want to give you a brief introduction about Chinese typing. 拼音输入法 is only one of the typing methods. We will input pinyin first, and then the software will provide us several characters. So you just select what you need. Based on pinyin, we will get the characters. But also, we have many other typing methods. Here, I just list several ones that Chinese people always use in our daily life. So we can see, we can also input some stroke code and then form the corresponding character and use these stroke codes to form the character you need, like 5笔输入法 and 2笔输入法. Also, we can use other codes like 正码输入法 and 注音输入法. Through different codes, we can get the character we want. As for pinyin 输入法, it is a very popular way to input in China. And also we have a famous popular software which is very convenient for us to study. So we will introduce this kind of typing method to you. Next, let's see how to use Sogou Pinyin Input software. Sogou Pinyin is the name of the software. Before you use it, I would like to remind you to open your system preference to add our Chinese, the language, into your preferred languages, and then you can use the corresponding software. This is the link of Sogou Pinyin website. The picture is showing the homepage of it. We can see it is very useful and powerful. It provides the mobile version and the Mac version or Windows version, and also it provides other typing methods. So let's get to the website to take a look at it. Here we are. This is the home page of it. According to your computer system, you can choose the version you want. Usually, you open the website firstly. It will provide you the corresponding version. See, we not just enter the link, so the Mac version just come out. I just press this button to download. It is okay. After you download and installed the software, you can see there are two buttons here. Now, this one, Sogou Pinyin, the S button, is the main menu of your input software. And this one, 中英, if you click it, it is to switch the English input and Chinese input, just for convenience. So you can input Chinese characters now. Here are some typing methods for you. The first one, since we should input pinyin, the syllabus, so we just type the whole syllabus. It's okay. So it is complete spelling. To type all pinyin letters of the character, such as 中国, 中, and 国, you need to type all of them. The next one is initial letter inputting. This is a convenient way and avoid time consuming. Just tap the initial letters of every character, such as 中国, zhong, you just tap Z, and guo, you just tap G. And computer, 计算机, so we just tap J and S and J. Next one is a mixed method, just use initial letter and complete spelling. So like 中国, we can tap Z and 国. You can just select which one you like according to your habit. Also, here is a note. Because one syllable can stand for several characters, so you should to select which character is what you want. So you can select by using plus button. It doesn't matter, we can have a try now. I want you to look at my typing clearly, so I just use the keyboard viewer here. Now, just now we mentioned 中国, right? For the complete typing, we can tap 中. This is 中, right? So now we can see in the small window box, there are several choices for you. If the character you want isn't in those choices, you can click the back button here, or you can use the plus button in the keyboard. It's also okay. Here, see? So now we have seen 中 is the first one. The first one, you can just tap 1 or space button. So 中 here, entered. Next one, 国, right? 国. This is 国, and also it is the first one, so we can input 1. So 中国 has been input. Okay, let's try another method, the initial one. 中 Z, right? 国呢 is G. So 中国, we also have this word here. We just choose the first one. It's okay. Let's try another one. 看电影. Now 看, 科安看, 看. 电的影 Y. See? 看电影, this phrase. Also, it provides you several phrases here. See? So, 看电影. Now, let's type 玩手机. First, I would like to use complete typing. 玩. Which one? The 3 one, right? So, we can choose 3. 手机, I use initial typing. 手 S, 机 J. See? 手机. It's okay. Also, we can input some sentences. For example, 我喜欢唱歌. 我喜欢唱歌. 我喜欢. 我喜欢. This is initial typing, right? 唱歌呢? 唱 is C, right? 唱歌. See here? This is a sentence. If you just use one method to type it, you can't find the choice you want. You just change the method, it's okay. Like, you just input 我喜欢 firstly, and then to type next half, like 听音乐. It can work also. About the special final remember? U with eyes. So, how to type the syllable with U? Like 学习, 学习, 西约, right? Now, 约呢? U with 西 with no eyes. So we just tap U like this. 学习. 学习, see here? it's okay. Also, 下雨 下雨 is y plus u, right? But u here also is u for writing. So we just type u, it's okay. 下雨 But like 女儿 daughter, 女儿 it's u, right? We have n, but we don't have u in the keyboard. So we should type v instead of u. Remember this. So we have 女儿 here. Okay, v instead of u. And next one, if we want to type Xi'an, this is a city, right? In China, Xi'an. See? We type Xi'an, but it doesn't show two characters, right? The software thinks this is the one syllable. So we should use the spacer marker between the two syllables. Okay. So we should type like this. Xi plus the spacer here and plus an. See? We get the words here. Xi'an. So remember, if the two syllables has the possibility to form one syllable, you should use the spacer. Okay? Okay, now your task is to practice more and more till you can be good at it. Good luck! Practice makes perfect. Never stop studying. 今天的课就到这里。I'm Rosa Yang. See you next time. 再见。